How to unhide tagged post on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can unhide tagged post on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to unhide tagged post on Instagram, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Instagram app here, and then just come to your profile page. Now first of all, if you tap the tag icon, you will be able to see a list of tags that you've hidden, right? So basically you can just open any of these over here, and then let's just say that you hide this certain tag. You tap the three dots option, you just tap on this tag option, and then you should be able to see the option known as hide my profile. So you can just tap on hide from my profile option here. Now whenever you hide from your profile, you can directly just undo it. Otherwise what you can do is you can just come back here to the search box, and you need to go to that exact person's page who had basically went ahead and then tagged you. When you go to that exact person's page, you'll find that certain tag post over here, and then when you see on the tag post over here, you should be able to see over here your tag. Now you can tap the three dots option here, go to tag options, and then just go to show in my profile option again. And when you go to their profile page and exactly you tap on the show in my profile option again, that tag post will again appear back onto your profile. So this way you can just go ahead and then unhide tagged posts on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.